Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Continuing the discussion, there are even more mechanical and maintenance-related concerns that mechanics frequently highlight with the Ford Focus, including electrical faults, suspension wear, and other hidden issues that can affect performance and safety over time. Stay tuned for Part 2. Many mechanics also discuss issues related to engine mounts in the Ford Focus. Engine mounts are designed to secure the engine while reducing vibration inside the cabin. Over time, these mounts can wear out or crack, leading to excessive vibration while idling or driving. Some owners describe the vibration as rough or uncomfortable, especially when stopped at traffic lights. Mechanics often warn that failing engine mounts can place additional stress on surrounding components if left unrepaired. Although replacing engine mounts is not usually the most expensive repair, ignoring the issue can worsen the vehicle's overall driving quality. Suspension problems are another area that mechanics frequently inspect on aging Ford Focus models. Components such as control arms, bushings, sway bar links, and shocks naturally wear over time, especially on rough roads. Mechanics warn drivers not to ignore clunking noises, uneven tire wear, or poor handling because these symptoms may indicate worn suspension parts. Delaying repairs can affect steering control, ride comfort, and braking performance. Mechanics also emphasize that worn suspension components can accelerate tire wear, leading to additional costs for replacement tires sooner than expected. Fuel system issues have also been reported in some Ford Focus vehicles. Mechanics sometimes encounter faulty fuel pumps, evaporative emission system problems, or clogged fuel injectors. Drivers may notice rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, or difficulty starting the engine. Mechanics warn that fuel system problems can gradually worsen and may even leave drivers stranded if ignored for too long. Routine maintenance and early diagnosis are often recommended to prevent larger failures. Another warning mechanics often give involves buying used Ford Focus vehicles without checking service records and recall history. Some owners unknowingly purchase vehicles that already have unresolved transmission issues or incomplete recall repairs. Mechanics strongly advise potential buyers to research the specific model year carefully and inspect maintenance records before making a purchase. A vehicle that appears affordable upfront may end up requiring expensive repairs shortly after purchase if these problems are overlooked. Mechanics also caution against relying solely on low purchase prices when evaluating a used Ford Focus. Because some model years developed a negative reputation due to transmission failures, resale values dropped significantly. While this may seem attractive to buyers looking for a cheap car, mechanics warn that repair costs can quickly exceed the savings. In some cases, repeated transmission repairs can cost several $1,000s over the life of the vehicle. Buyers are often encouraged to spend slightly more on a better maintained or more reliable model rather than choosing the cheapest option available. Oil maintenance is another critical issue mechanics constantly stress for Ford Focus owners. Regular oil changes help protect engine components, reduce friction, and prevent sludge buildup. Neglecting oil maintenance can lead to severe engine wear, particularly in models equipped with turbocharged EcoBoost engines. Mechanics explain that turbochargers operate under high temperatures and depend heavily on clean oil for lubrication. Dirty or low oil levels can damage the turbocharger and create expensive engine problems. This is why many mechanics recommend following strict maintenance intervals rather than delaying oil changes. Mechanics also warn drivers about using cheap aftermarket parts during repairs. While low-cost parts may appear to save money initially, poor quality components can fail quickly and create additional issues. Some Ford Focus models are especially sensitive to low-quality ignition coils, sensors, and suspension parts. Mechanics often recommend using high-quality original equipment manufacturer parts whenever possible to improve reliability and reduce repeat repairs. Brake maintenance is another area mechanics emphasize. Some owners ignore squeaking brakes, vibration during braking, or longer stopping distances until the problem becomes severe. Mechanics warn that worn brake pads can damage rotors and compromise safety if not replaced promptly. Regular brake inspections are important not only for safety but also for preventing more expensive repairs later. Maintaining the braking system properly helps ensure predictable stopping performance in emergency situations. Tire maintenance is frequently overlooked as well. Mechanics often warn Ford Focus owners about uneven tire wear caused by alignment issues or worn suspension components. Poor alignment can reduce fuel efficiency, shorten tire life, and affect handling stability. Regular tire rotation, balancing, and alignment checks can help improve overall vehicle performance and safety. Mechanics explain that even small maintenance habits can significantly extend the lifespan of a vehicle. Another issue mechanics sometimes warn about is carbon buildup in direct injection engines. Some newer Ford Focus engines use direct fuel injection technology, which can improve efficiency but may allow carbon deposits to accumulate on intake valves over time. Excessive carbon buildup can reduce engine performance, cause rough idling, and decrease fuel economy. Mechanics often recommend periodic intake cleaning services for vehicles showing these symptoms. Despite all these warnings, many mechanics also acknowledge that not every Ford Focus is a bad vehicle. Some owners drive their cars for many years with minimal problems, especially when maintenance is performed consistently and early warning signs are addressed quickly. Manual transmission versions generally receive more positive feedback from mechanics due to their simpler and more reliable design. Proper maintenance, careful driving habits, and regular inspections can make a significant difference in the long-term ownership experience. Mechanics ultimately stress the importance of awareness rather than fear. Understanding the common weaknesses of the Ford Focus allows owners to take preventive measures before small issues become major failures. Regular inspections, prompt repairs, and careful research before purchasing a used vehicle can help avoid many of the most serious problems associated with certain Focus models. While the vehicle has earned criticism for specific mechanical issues, informed owners who stay proactive with maintenance may still find the Ford Focus to be a practical and economical car for daily driving. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.